Let's take a look at a couple of names that's trending after hours, all because of earnings. We have Shopify, Occidental, Robinhood, Etsy, and DoorDash. Kicking it off with Shopify, we're looking at losses of just about 2% here in extended trading. Now, the company beating on revenue of 31% growth year over year. Subscription revenue was up 21% on a year-over-year basis. The company cash flow positive for the third consecutive quarter in a row. This is a stock that's run up over 30% in the last 3 months. Expectations were very high going into this report, so we're seeing some selling action in extended trading. And Shopify also closed the day off just about 7.5%. Let's move on to Robinhood here. And Robinhood shares under a bit of pressure, off just about 4% right now. The company monthly active users missing expectations, 10.8 million. Estimate was for 11.7 million. That was declining from the previous quarter here. And you're taking a look at Robinhood, if we can pull it up on the screen. The stock has been under some pressure, obviously having a tough time here attracting and keeping their users with that disappointing number here. Year to date, though, we're still looking at gains of just about 52%. So the fact that they did miss on that key metrics, putting some pressure on shares in after hours. Let's head back to Occidental Petroleum. That stock off just about 2% in extended trading. Remember, this is the company that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway recently just upped its stake into about 25%. Earnings missed expectations. Revenue also coming in a bit short, falling 37% from a year ago. Year to date, looking at losses of just about 2.5%. All right, let's take a look at Etsy. That stock out here with results moments ago, off just about 5.5%. Third quarter revenue guidance missing the midpoint of the range, and that's enough to put pressure on shares here in extended trading. Second quarter revenue up 7.5%, better than expected. Services revenue was up 21%. Active sellers up 12% to 8.31 million. Buyers up 2.5% to 96.3 million. That was also better than expected. We heard from Etsy in this report. Etsy ads once again are a big driver here to revenue growth, but the stock's still off about 5%. Rounding it out with DoorDash, that stock on the move. This stock posting some gains here, up just about 4%. They raised their full year guidance here for gross order value. That, of course, is a critical point here in this report. That coming in better than expected for the second quarter. Revenue up about a third, up 33% on a year-over-year basis, beating the street's expectations at just over $2 billion, 2.13 billion. Orders also increasing 25% from a year ago. We're looking at gains of about 4%.